a couple people have been asking me about my meal planning and what do I do? Do I prep the night before? What meals are like in our home? And for a very long time, I've been doing a meal plan, which is meatless Mondays, Taco Tuesday, whatever's left Wednesdays, Takeout Thursday, Fun Pizza Friday, and the 3 S's on Saturday, which is soup, salad, and sandwich. And then Sunday is my supper Sunday, which is where I want to just spend more time cooking and do something more, you know, that will gather us together, and more comfort food version. So that's the big meal of the week. My other meals are pretty short, and it helps me with the food shopping because I know what I need to get, you know, all the time. I make changes to the schedule, but it's pretty much always the same kind of type of food during that day. So I hope you enjoyed this video and some of the tips and ideas were helpful for you. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and check out some of my other videos, and let's start a conversation in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.